Good morning, students. So today we are going to continue with the same exercise 4.1. Yesterday we have completed up to question number 5 and we are going to start with question number 6 today. Look at question number 6. What is there? Which of the following numbers are divisible by 3? So here we will be using the divisibility test of 3. Okay. So what is the date today? 6 7 2020. Okay, exercise 4.1, question number 6. You can write here A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, A I am doing 22. Check whether 22 is divisible by 3 or not. So 22. To check the divisibility of 3, what you need to do? You have to add all the digits of the given number and check whether that the sum or the you can say that the sum is divisible by 3 or not. So here it is 2 plus 2 equals to 4. You can write it is not divisible by 3, as 4 is not divisible by 3, so we can write it is not divisible by 3. One more we can do. 22, take 3-digit number A, B, C, D. We are doing D1. 105. So the same procedure, 1 plus 0 plus 5. Add all the digits of this number. 1 plus 0 plus 5 is 6. 6 comes in 3 tables, so we can write it is divisible by 3. Like this you have to do question number 6. Okay, so rest of all is homework. Okay, now look at question number 7. In question number 7 you have to check the divisibility of 9. The divisibility of 9 is similar to question number 6. In question number 6 you found the divisibility of 3, where you have added all the digits of a number and checked whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Similarly, here also you have to do the same procedure and check whether it is divisible by 9 or not. So 82. Add all the digits of the number 8 plus 2 equals to 10. You can write it is not divisible by 9. Okay, 10 is not divisible by 9. Similarly, say for example, take okay, this question, sorry, this A, B, C, D, 3041, D, 3041. Add all the digits of this number. 3 plus 0 plus 4 plus 1. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, 8. Again it is not divisible by 9. Clear? You have to check whether the sum is divisible by 9. Okay, so rest of all you can do as homework. Clear? Now look at question number 8. What is in question number 8? Which of the following numbers are divisible by 4 and 8? Okay, so we have to check whether which of the numbers are divisible by 4 and 8. To know the divisibility of 4, to check the divisibility of 4, what you have to check? You have to check the last 2 digits of a number. If the last 2 digits of a number is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. If the last 3 digits of a number is divisible by 8, then it is the whole number is divisible by 8. Okay, so take question number A, 3104. 3104. So take last two digit of a number. Last two digit, the value of last two digit is 4 only. 4. It is divisible by 4. Okay. Now take same number 3104. Take last three digit of a number. Last three digit is 104. Now you have to check 104 is divisible by 8 or not. To check this, what you need to do? You need to divide it by 8. 104. 8 ones are 8. 2. 4. 8 threes are 24. So it is exactly divisible. So it is divisible by 8 also. Okay. Now here this number is divisible by 4 also and 8 also. Clear? Similarly, one more question will do. Take this number A, B, C, D, E 2870. 2870. Take last two digit is 70. Now check whether 70 is divisible by 4 or not. Divide it. Divide it by 4. 4 1s are 4. 3 4 7s are 28. 2 remainder. If there is remainder, if you find any remainder, then you can say that it is not divisible. It is not divisible by 4. Okay. Now take same number and we'll take last three digits 870. To check the divisibility of this number, I don't have space, so I will be dividing it here to 870. 870 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 7 8 zeros are 0. 7 8 8s are 64. What is left here? 6. Whenever you find any remainder, you can say that it is not divisible by this number or that number. Okay, it is not divisible by 8 also. Therefore you can say that 2870 is not divisible by 4 and 8. Okay, so it is simple. Is it simple? So try doing the other questions as homework. Okay, now move to question number 9. Here, is 14 a factor of 42 and 112? Is 14 a factor of 42 and 112? It means 14 divides 42 and 112 exactly. Is 14 a factor of 112 plus 42? It means, is it also the factor of the sum of both the number and the difference of both the number? Okay, we'll check it. Okay, question number 9. To check the divisibility of 14, or we can say that 14 14 threes are 42 and 112, will divide both the numbers. So here 42 divided by 14 is 3, exactly divisible. 14 threes are 42, we know. 112 divided by 14, so 14 8s are 112. 14 8s are 112, it is also divisible. Okay, now check 112 plus 14. 112 plus 14 equals to 126, divisible by 14. Sorry, it should be 42. 42. This sum of these two numbers. Okay, 112 plus 42 equals to 2 plus 2 4 and 4 and 5 154. Okay, so here 42 divided by 14 equals 3, 112 divided by 14 equals to 8, exactly divisible, exactly divisible. Now take the sum of both the number. 112 plus 42 equals to 154 divided by 14 equals to 11, exactly divisible here also. And 112 minus 42, 112 minus 42, 2 minus 2 is 0, 11 minus 4 is 7, 70. 70 divided by 14 equals to 5. Okay, so here this number is also exactly divisible. Therefore 14 is a factor of 42, 112, 154 and 70 all. Okay, now look at question number 10. Is 54 divisible by 2 and 3? Is it divisible by 6? Okay, look at this question. Is 54 divisible by 2 and 3? Okay, look at this question. Question number 10. Solution. Check. 54 is divisible by 2. To check the divisibility of 2, what will you do? To check the divisibility of 2, we are checking the digit at one's place. We are checking the digit at one's place whether it is an even number or not. Yes, 4 is an even number, therefore it is divisible by 2. 4 is an even number. Okay, 4 is an even number. Clear? Now again, 54 is divisible by 3 or not. To check the divisibility of 3, what we are doing? We are adding the digits of the number. 5 plus 4 is 9. It is divisible by 3. Therefore 54 is also divisible by 6 as it passes the divisibility of 2 and 3 both. See, to check the divisibility of 6, what we do? A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. So here we have got that it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. So we can say that it is divisible by 6 also. So here we have completed exercise 4.1. All the questions are over. So today we have completed 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. What you will do, next we are going to start prime numbers. Next day we will be starting prime numbers, twin prime, composite number, prime factorization, etc. Okay, and along with this we will be starting exercise 4.2. okay, till then complete this exercise. If you have any doubt, you can contact me via message. I will reply you. Okay, if you have any doubt, you must contact me. Okay, thank you.